Hello YouTube. Chastek is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to restore missing or deleted service in Windows. As you are seeing on the screen, I am on the service section. You may miss all the service section on your computer, or specifically some services like Bluetooth, audio, Windows Update, or media player, or other services from the service section. So if you are missing or deleted the service section on this video, we are going to see two solutions, so stay tuned until the end. And all the solution will work for all Windows operating system. So let's start from solution number one. So on solution number one, run the SFC scan now and the DISM restore health commands to fix this problem. In order to do that, go here on the bottom, click the search icon and type here CMD. And after that, here the command prompt, right click on it, select run as administrator and confirm by selecting yes. So here the command prompt opened, and here I have a notepad which it have some commands. So copy paste each of them one by one, which is the first one, this SFC scan now. First copy this and paste it here. Then after that press enter. For this video I'm not going to do this process because it takes some time. So make sure you copy and paste the command under the CMD, then press enter and wait patiently until it will finish the process, because it will help you to check if there is any corrupted files related with your operating system. So it will fix and it will diagnose and solve all the problems related with your operating system. So after the SFC scan now completed, then again go here and it will show you 100% confirmation. Then after that, copy this one and again paste it here. So after you paste it, then press enter and wait until the restore health process will be completed. This will help you if there is any corrupted files that have been identified by the command prompt under the SFC scanner. Then the DSIM or the restore health command will help you to fix those corrupted files. So copy, paste and enter this command, then wait until it will be 100%. Then after that, close the CMD and restart your computer. So after the restart, if the problem is solved, well done. If the problem still occurs, then the second solution for this video will be restoring your PC. So in order to restore that, click again here the search icon and type here restore. Here the create restore point, select that. So before you start the system restore, make sure you backup or you restore the current version or the current moment that your computer is working. If anything goes wrong, you can go back to this point. So in order to do that, first click here create and give here create a restore point. Here it says, and type a description to help you identify the restore point. So give some description here, for example restore, then after that give date and time, which is for example 12 like 2022, which is the date. Then select here create, so it's going to create a restore point of the current date and time that your computer is working on. After you create that, then go here and select the system restore option. Select that system restore, and here it will give you restore system files and settings. So you will get two options, recommended restore and choose a different restore. This recommended restore is when you select that, it will give you the recommended one, which is the time where your computer working nicely or the service section working perfectly. Or else you can select your own, choose a different restore point, your own restore points, and select next. Then you may get a list of restore points. So select that specific restore point. For example, you can select this one and select next, then it will restore to the previous point that your computer service section working perfectly. And if after you make the restore, if your computer is not working good, then you can go back to the restore point that you created earlier. So these are the solutions to fix your missing or deleted service on the Windows computer. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Just take out.